What's up guys, here broadcasting from my house, here presenting you, as always, 6 ways to die in a Nerf gun battle. I have uploaded many videos, but here is the part 3, 6 ways to die in a Nerf gun battle, part 3. I have been uploaded part 1 and part 2. So let's get to this part. You're gonna love this part. I wanna make something special. I wanna make something that makes you smile and laugh. So enjoy it. The first one is how people think that they are bulletproof. Kill me! I am... The next one is the consequence of not to be well equipped for a Nerf War. The next one is groin shot. Let's check out. Where is it? Ah, where is it? Oh. The next one is buried. La 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 la. Oh, I'm a kind of tired. What? What's that? What was that? Next one is I can't see nothing. La 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 la. I can't see anything. I think I forgot my glasses there. Oh no. I can't see anything. Where am I? Oh my god. Who's that? No, it must be my imagination. I can't see nothing. Huh? What's this thing? I have my glasses back. Oh my god! Next one, and the last one, suicide. Sorry if I repeat this, but I ran out of ideas.
Hi guys, I'm going to suicide myself. 1, 2, 3.